he would have had the truck parked down there when the train actually did go by, so he could
last year
the train.
Only.
He's coming back already.
That would have freaked out the train.
Yeah, I
no
wonder.
doubt. Wait a minute.
I wonder if,
lock them up.
Yeah, exactly.
I wonder if that would be a problem.
Play by play.
Oh, it would be apply full
They're
brakes
like,
now.
What the heck? Yeah, what is that?
Hampton.
Why is there another train? There's not supposed
Here
to
he
be
comes.
Forever.
Careful now. Can I get you another drink?
We don't want to break anymore.
Now we know where Jenny gets it from. She can smell our food, but she won't do a single drop of her drink.
Here's another Doppler effect for you.
Because they'll come right at us.
Oh.
Look at a good hit right here.
It's like a little pitch.
Disgusting.
It's like, here goes pitch.
He comes around the corner. You wait. Pointing right at us.
That was something else.
There's one of them bushes that we were
That was right there, eh?
Yeah, there's only a few little ones on it.
They couldn't get me.
Autumn olives.